Now subtraction is straightforward, right? Say how to perform subtraction. Now subtraction in the sense, maybe if they are asked to pay a tax, right? So say 10% they have to pay the tax on this dollar, or 2% they have to pay the tax. So what we have to do is we have to calculate that 2%. So 2% has to be removed from $40. So what we will need to do is we have to calculate first 2% of $40, right? So that's going to be this taxable amount. Say, let me just say tax, and this is equal to 2%. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to calculate that percentage. So 2 divided by 100 times $40. So 80 cents. Okay, 80 cents has to be removed from this $40. So this is because we are having issue here. We cannot pull it down because the referencing is not done properly. So what I will do, I will do one more cell. So this is equal to, so 2 divided by 100, that's a percentage, times $20. So 40 cents goes away. So now we've got this, right? So now what we need to do is we should take this. So it's a dollar value, right? So we can highlight this all and make it to dollars. So this is what comes here. So now I'm going to demonstrate the subtraction. So pay after tax, PAT stands for pay after tax. So in this case, it's going to be always start with equal to, plus this, because from here we need to take the plus this, and then you click enter. So that's what we get. So similarly, equal to, we collect this from here, minus from here. So that's entered. So that's fine. So let me highlight this, go over here and pull it. Let's see how it happens. So this is fine. $9, $1 has been taken away, and 40 cents has been taken away. So this is the example for subtraction.